Sofa. The sofa is a long seat where several people can sit. I often nap on the sofa watching TV. Refrigerator. A refrigerator keeps food and drinks cold. The ice cream is stored in the freezer part of the refrigerator. Microwave. A microwave heats food quickly using radiation. I used the microwave to reheat yesterday's dinner. Washing machine. A washing machine is used to clean clothes. I put detergent in the washing machine before starting the cycle. Table. A table is a flat surface used for eating, writing, or working. We decorated the dining table with candles for dinner. Chair. A chair is a piece of furniture used for sitting. Each chair around the table is made of wood. Lamp. A lamp is a light source used in homes. I turned on the desk lamp to read my book. Curtains. Curtains cover windows and provide privacy or block light. She bought new curtains to match the color of the wall. Carpet. A carpet is a soft material that covers the floor. We rolled up the carpet to clean the floor underneath. Mirror. A mirror reflects your image when you look into it. The bathroom mirror is foggy after my shower. Bed. A bed is a piece of furniture used for sleeping. I changed the bed sheets this morning. Pillow. A pillow supports your head while sleeping. I put an extra pillow under my back for comfort. Blanket. A blanket keeps you warm while you sleep. I folded the blanket and placed it on the couch. Fan. A fan is used to move air and cool a room. The ceiling fan helps circulate air in the clock. A clock shows the current time. I hung the wall clock above the kitchen door. Oven. An oven is used to bake or roast food. I preheated the oven before baking cookies. Sink. A sink is used for washing hands, dishes, or food. I rinsed the vegetables in the kitchen sink. Cabinet. A cabinet stores dishes, food, or other items. I placed the clean plates back in the top cabinet. Broom. A broom is used for sweeping the floor. I used the broom to clean up the broken glass. Vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner removes dirt and dust from floors. I use the vacuum cleaner on the carpet every weekend. Iron. An iron is used to remove wrinkles from clothes. I ironed my shirt before the interview. Laundry basket. A laundry basket holds dirty or clean clothes. I carried the laundry basket to the washing machine. Stove. A stove is used for cooking food with heat. She boiled pasta on the stove for dinner. Drawer. A drawer is a sliding compartment in furniture for storage. I keep my socks in the top drawer of the dresser. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comments.